What is going on, guys? I'm TechSeries. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you how to download Instagram Plus Plus for free. And to download the Instagram Plus Plus you don't need any PC or any jailbreak. Let's get right into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is just go to any browser. It works, and search up app.appvalley.vip. The link will be in the description. Just go to the link, click the link, and it automatically take you to this page. Okay, let it reload, and after you're on this page there's like a couple of ads, like they're annoying, but like just ignore them. All you want to do is just download Instagram Plus Plus. Now all we're gonna do, if we scroll, I don't think we're gonna find it here. Just go to the search bar and search up Instagram Plus Plus. It will pop up like this. You can see Instagram Plus Plus. It says social media. Click gate, and if you already have the the normal Instagram, just click the blue one. It says install over original. Delete the original. It will delete automatically, and or this the green one, it will push it out. I'm just gonna click the blue one, install the original one. Just click install. I don't have the original one, that why I picked the blue one. Now it should be installing. You can see it like pretty fast. It doesn't take that long. It just takes like 30 seconds or some less. It's almost done. Okay, let's just wait a little bit. Okay, you can see I have the Instagram Plus Plus now. Just go there and open it. If it is not opening like this, just make sure you just go to your settings, scroll down, general, and scroll down one more time, device management, right here. Make sure you trust the app. I already did that way. It's open directly, and they just open Instagram now. Okay, this is the first app, only this one. And if you don't have account, create an account. If you already have account, log in. I'm just gonna log in. Okay, let me just okay now let me write my password. Click login. Okay, click allow if you want the notification to be on. And on this Instagram Plus Plus, there's like tons of features. You can download any pictures of yours. You can see there's a download button, and you can save it by 8 to 8 or 8 times 8 to 8. And you can watch other people's like profile. If I click like this one, and you can see their profiles, and you can download their photos. If you want to, you can share it. And this is pretty much what I want to show you for today. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe, and peace.